In this guide, I'll show you how to fix analog stick drift on your PS5 controller without taking it apart. So the first thing you want to do is rotate your analog sticks clockwise, and after you've done that a few times, you want to press and hold down on the analog sticks. Then we're going to do the exact same thing, except we're going to rotate it counterclockwise and press down at the end. Now the reason why we're doing this is to try to remove any dirt, dust buildup within your analog stick. And once you've done that, you'll notice we're going to push down now the entire time while going in a clockwise position. Then what you want to do is rotate counterclockwise again, pressing down the entire time, and then you can finish off by pressing down at the center. So you'll notice when I push the analog stick, on the opposite side there'll be a little gap that forms, and with Duster Blaster, compressed air, or electronic contact cleaner, you could also blow into the space. What you want to do is essentially spray in that area that's created when you push the analog stick to the other side. Now, the best one would definitely be the electronic contact cleaner. You essentially just want to spray a little bit in and then rotate it. You can just use the Duster Blaster or blow into the space. This is going to be a little bit better though, and you're essentially trying to work in that electronic contact cleaner in an attempt to remove any dirt, dust, or debris buildup. Now, once you're done that analog stick, just make sure to do the other side as well, and if you're still experiencing stick drift, you'll likely have to take apart your controller and clean it, or replace parts within it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.